It's pretty bad out here. Let's get a general view of the situation here. Oh, that's scary, kids. Well, this is the outside of our door. Yeah, not much really to see except for a few trucks going by. There's somebody interesting. Get an in-depth interview with him, maybe. Ooh, it's cold out here, kids. Ooh, that car belongs in Texas.
What are you doing, dear?
Just interviewing the neighbors. Wait, I need some kind of shoes.
I'm wearing your big boots.
You're lucky too.
Hey, a pair of shoes.
Hey, I'll be down in a second. You're long, Johns. Well, we can't go outside. I gotta stand right here. Hey. You'll get us.
Hey, we gotta watch our video today.
Oh, it's still running. Boy, there he is from the top view. He's never going to get his car out. First of all, he parked on the wrong side of the road. Yep. We should call the cops. He's never going to get that car out. What did he think? He could drive it right out?
I don't think so. Poor guy.
Katie.
Look at that car across the street.
Oof.
Good thing it's a small car.
Yep. It'd be really in there if it wasn't. Katie, quickly! Katie! Get in here quick!